Hey there, it's me, Kathy. We are going to make a salad. I'm going to have a nice salad for dinner. I went out to the farmer's market last Sunday. I haven't been in a really long time, but I caught up with my friends from my favorite farms, and one of them being Pepe's Urban Farm. And he had these incredible radishes. And I've already prepped them, so that's them. I took a picture of them before I prepped them. And also, he's famous for microgreens. So I always buy the microgreens. And these are radish microgreens. So I got those two at the farmer's market. And from Misfits Market, I got some cucumbers, some corn, some, tricolored carrots. And we are going to make a jalapeno lime dressing for our salad. We're gonna make a jalapeno lime dressing for our salad. I didn't realize I was off camera. And anyway, so let's do it, and we're gonna have fun, and it's gonna be crunchy and yummy, and here we go. I didn't mention that I picked a couple of cute little baby jalapenos out of my garden, and those are they're going in the dressing. So now we're gonna make our dressing. First thing we're gonna do is juice up some limes. I don't need all these limes for the salad dressing, but I am going to juice them all and use whatever's left over for our margaritas. Limes are all squeezed, and we are ready to prep our jalapenos. I've pulled out my magic bullet to make the base for this dressing because I don't want big chunks of jalapeno in there. I want it all dressed up. Now, if you want the dressing to be really spicy, leave the seeds in. I'm going to take some out. I left a few in. This one has the most, so we look like that. And the reason I'm wearing gloves is because when you work with jalapenos, you should wear gloves because you don't want to get the juicy, hot stuff on your hands because you might rub your eyes and you'll get burnt. Been there, done that. Our jalapenos in the blender container. And now I'm going to add just a little bit of garlic, some salt and pepper, and some smoked paprika, some cumin, doesn't want to come out. There we go, a little cumin, some cilantro, and we're going to save the rest of that for chopping our. And now we're going to pour in some lime juice. Actually, I'm going to use all that. I didn't get much yield out of those limes. And I like a little bit of white balsamic. Gives it a little bit of zing and a little bit of sweetness all at the same time. So we're going to add a little bit of that. And just to take the sting out of those jalapenos, I'm going to squeeze in some honey. Now, we're going to blend it up. Here we have our jalapeno base for our salad dressing, and that is going to go into a bowl. It's going to make a lot of dressing. I don't have to make this salad or other. Maybe I'll use it as a marinade for chicken or something like that. So now we're going to, and I'm going to use this oil, garlic and jalapeno infused olive oil. And we're going to pour that in a steady stream. I can't get that off, so we'll just do it this way. Whisking the whole time. Okay, our jalapeno lime dressing is made, and trust me, it is delicious. And now we're going to assemble our salad. I hope this bowl is big enough. So in go our radishes. In go our carrots. In go our cucumbers. Come on, little cuckies, don't stick to the bottom. And then our corn. And now for our dressing. It's pretty green. We could call it the Southwest Green Goddess. Anyway, I'm gonna mix this up and we're gonna see what. Here is our crunchy radish and corn salad with a lime jalapeno dressing. And now we're gonna plate it, and this is where the microgreens. Okay, on a pretty plate, we are going to take some of our microgreens and distribute them. Beautiful. And then we're gonna top them with our radish and corn salad. And I think that you might wanna let this salad sit in the refrigerator overnight, because these vegetables, except for the cucumbers, are not super absorbent. They're hard vegetables, and it might take them a while to get that zip from the salad dressing. Okay. Whoops, dropped one. And now I want a little more of this. And there we have it. Our radish and corn salad with a lime jalapeno dressing and presented on a bed of radish microgreens. And it is going to be fabulous, and I cannot wait to eat it. Thank you for joining me while I played with my vegetables. It looks fabulous, and it's going to be so tasty. And like I said, I really think you should let it sort of marinate overnight, the salad, so everything absorbs all the flavor. And it is good already, but it'll be better tomorrow. Thanks for joining me.